Hello, want to continue from where we stopped the other time on physics. UTME question from number 31 now. We stop at number 30. Let's go straight to the business. Number 31 question says that when impurities are added to semiconductor, what happens? What they want to ask here, the question is not complete. To me, it's not complete. The question is not complete. So, what we usually ask here is about the either resistance or the conduction, the conductivity here. So, what we do for this is called doping. We dope the semiconductor. Basically, it is to increase its conductivity. So, but the option is not there. You see that A and B and C, they wrote the same thing as decreases. So that is the problem we have there. Number 32 says that the process through which free electrons leave the hot surface of metal is known as thermionic emission. So what is thermionic? Let me check the option up there. Thermionic emission. That's it. So what is the meaning of that? If you look at it religiously, they say thermionic emission. What is the meaning? The meaning, thermionic. So it's combination of two things together. Thermionic emission. Is it single M or double M? Why this thing is talking about thermal? Thermionic there is from thermal, which means heat. Ionic there means that the ion or electron moves out. So that is why it is called thermionic emission. So when you heat something and the electron is emitted from it, you say emission from a hot surface. And that option there is B. B is the answer here. Now number 33. 33 says that the production of pure spectrum could easily be achieved using a triangular prism only. No, that cannot give us anything. Triangular prism with two concave. No. Concave will give us lens. They will not give us the pure thing we are looking for. Say we have convex. Okay, that's it here. D is the answer there. Triangular prism with the two convex lens. Now will help us translate it to a pure one in full detail. Number 34. A short chain is attached to the back of a petrol tanker to do something. Now the petrol tanker is more electrified and there is free charges coming from it because of the petrol itself. So any little problem like this, it can ignite. But to remove the excess electron so that it can go neutral to discharge that electron to the earth, that's why it is attached there. So the answer here, conduct excess charges to earth. So it is called earthing. So that's how we earth it so that something cannot not just happen or to just get ignited anytime. So that is number 34. Now a perfect emitter or absorber of radiant energy is most of the time is a shining surface. But if shining surface is not given, you will have to use black or dull surface. Dull surface is better. But if it's not given, black is what we use. Don't forget the suit we used the other time and the black polished surface. So let's check the option: white body, red body, conductor, black body. So black body is what we are taking in this case. So that is D here. I don't know why the physics is always just too simple for students. But yet people will still complain. You don't have to complain again. It's very, very simple. Just look at it and solve the question. Now, next question here, number 36. They said 6 identical cells. So this is electricity. Each of EMF 2 volts are connected as shown above. They are in series. Once they are in series, the total EMF here, ET here, is just the number of the cell times one of the something. So we have 6 times 2 volts here. Our answer is 12 volts. Now, what is that? D in this case. Number 37 says that if a pump is capable of lifting 5,000 kilograms of water through a vertical height 60 meters in 50 minutes, then what happened? What happened now? The power of the pump is dash. Okay. Now let's go there. They told us that the mass that it can lift up is 5,000 kg, and we have it through the height of 60 meters. Time is given to be 50 minutes. We have to convert this one to seconds. That will be 50 times 60, which is 3,000 seconds. We are asked to find, so you have to get G there because it's going to give you PE. It's coming from a height, so potential energy will be calculated there. So G is necessary, 10 meters per second squared. P unknown. But the P we are talking about is going to be mgh. The power is energy over time, and that will give us 5,000 times 10 times times 60 10. G is 10, H is 60, all divided by 3,000. 1,000 cancel 1,000. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. From our calculation here, we have 2 times 5 times 10, that's 100 joules per second. Let's check it out. None of the option is correct here. So they didn't give us the correct option. So we go to number 38. It said that the distance between 2 successive crests of a wave is 15. That one means the lambda wavelength is 15 centimeter, and the velocity is 300 meter per second. We have to calculate the frequency. But all we know is that V equals F lambda, that is F will give you V over lambda, and that's equal to 300 over 15, and the final answer will give you, oh sorry, I have to convert this into meters. So this will give you 15 times 10 raised to power minus 2 meters. So times 10 raised to power minus 2. This one will cancel this, it will give you 20. At the end of the day, you'll be having 20 times positive 10 raised to power 2 there. That is 2.0 times 10 raised to power 3, positive 3. Then add this frequency you are calculating. So the answer here is B. The roots A, B, B. So it should be C in this case now. You need the roots in something. Now let's go to number 39. 39 says that an electric pump. An electric pump. An electric pump, let's go there, number 39. Number 39 says that an electric pump, or lamp, sorry, an electric lamp with the voltage given to us is 240 volts, while the power given to us is 60 watts. Then it happens for 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour can be converted to what? To 3,600 seconds. So with that, we can now say that we are looking for energy. Energy here is easy to get. How do we get the energy here? The energy here is calculated with the formula IVT. So that's power times time. And that's equal to 60 times 3,600. And that will give us 16,000 joules. That's something as 2.16 times 10 raised to power 5 joules. Number 40, the last question of the day. Number 40 says that in comparing the camera and the human eye, the film of the camera functions as the retina. That's retina. That's the film in that place that gives us the image that we want. C is the final answer. C is the final answer. The final answer there is C. So if you are new to this channel, kindly click the subscription button, the subscribe button, and join us so that you can, and also click the notification button so that you can get a first-hand information immediately I upload a new video. This is the end of the solution to Physics 2015 UTME, and we'll continue from there next time we meet. Then if you want one-on-one coaching is available. If you want to get me at any time, see my number down here so that you can be happy. Then if you want to join the free Telegram class for JAM Mass Physics, we have the link down there in the description of this YouTube channel. See you when I see you, and bye for now. So, before I go, my number, let me write that so that you can be happy. 080 22706148. That is the number. You can get me through that number at any time. T is always available. So that's the number. You can see it. So I remain your maths and physics coach, Ogbonotavidi. I'm saying bye for now. See you when I see you, and bye for now.